Filament light bulb is an LED lamp which is designed to resemble a traditional bulb. So whatever you see, the filament portion is for aesthetics and for the light distribution purpose, but what actually emits the light are the light emitting diodes which are inside this bulb. So it is a screw type installation for cases where you're replacing false ceilings, or want to have some kind of good look in your roof or your room. Filament bulbs add an extra layer of beauty to the room, and I generally like these filament type bulbs. They're pretty efficient on power and can be used with installations like these. They do generally give a good look to the room at a very low cost.